Oh man, hey man, what you got in that? What you got in there, man? What you? Yeah, man, you got a little. Yeah, man, you got a little. You know, I got the good shit in here, man. Hold on, I can't let you see. I can't let you see. Yeah, man, but I got the. Oh, whoa, easy. You know that's illegal in 48 states. You know, you can't just be doing this out in broad daylight. Oh my God, look at all them. Look at all that black market shit right there. Oh man, that's the good shit. That's the good shit right there.
Pulling up, shut it down when I'm pulling up. Come around when I'm pulling up. In my town and I'm pulling up. Ready for anything, anyone. Know that I get it done. In the bands, I be pulling up. Tell your friends, cause I'm pulling up.
What's up YouTube, it's your boy 728 back with another video, and I have a box with things. Stay tuned.
And it came from the bottom, down below. Remember them cold nights, I was sleeping on the floor. Always dreamed about the 4G out on feet, now they down below. A nigga got so much money on me, I can't count no more. Remember I was in the project.
Alright, so inside of this box here I have new ignition coils because my car is almost to 50,000 miles now, which is crazy. So they say to replace these at like, I think 60,000 miles or so. Sometimes I've seen online they say earlier than that, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do it now, get it out the way, because I have been noticing that the car does sometimes want to idle a little weird, so I'm thinking this will fix it. So obviously I have 4 of them. If you notice, Volkswagen Group stuff, they have a little GTI at the bottom. This is actually the, I mean they're all the same things. I know a lot of people want to give them different names, but these are the Audi RS, I think there's RS5 coil plugs, and they're a direct fit to the ones that are already on the car. Some people say they're better. I doubt it, but they are a little bit cheaper than the OEM ones for the GTI, so I went ahead and got these anyway. So if they are better and they last longer, then that's a plus side because these were cheaper. You know, I'm not trying to blow the whole budget. And then on top of that, I have all new spark plugs. So I got 4 of them. They're the engine. I gotta open these up. I really don't remember which ones these are. NGKs. See if this thing can focus. There we go. NGK. But they have Volkswagen Audi Group on it. I don't know if these are gap. Probably. I think I got a little spark plug gap tool thing somewhere. So I have to double check before I put these on just to make sure. 5. Obviously, I have 4 of these. So 4 spark plugs. 4 coils. I'm gonna go outside, get the old coils off. The car is still a little warm. They said that's the best time to get the coil plugs off. And then I'll wait till the car cools down a little bit more to try to get the spark plugs out. This is the little grease that goes on the boot to make sure that these don't get stuck. So you might have to replace these things after about 100,000 miles, and you don't want to be sitting there trying to pry these off and then you break the little rubber part over the spark plug. So womp. But this will help do that. Got a little packet of grease, 4 plugs, 4 coils. So we're ready to go. All right, so here we go. I already took the engine cover off, man. So this is actually what it looks like without the engine cover on, hiding all this stuff. So as you can tell, it's kind of a mess. Weird looking thing. I already disconnected these. The connectors for the coil plugs, get those off of there. Like I said, while it's hot, I gotta go ahead and get these nuts off, and that way I can pull these straight up without messing up anything. They look dirty, yeah, but it was funny because when I pulled the engine cover off, man, there was a feather underneath the engine cover. Now for those of y'all who haven't been subscribed, you know, for a long time, man, y'all might remember that I had a little run-in with a bird a couple, I'd say it's almost a year ago now, but I ran smooth into him too, man, and it was like blood, guts, bird guts all over the front. Had to get that cleaned off. So apparently some of the bird Birdman Jr. got sucked in up under here, and it was pretty crazy looking. But I took that cover off so I can let some of that heat up. Got the hood up, you know, try to get some of this nice cool 70-degree air blowing over it. Yes, I said cool 70-degree air. If you're not from Texas, you'll understand, man. 70 degrees is a cold front for us, so I'm gonna enjoy this weather. But I'm gonna get these off and then I'll come back to y'all. Okay, so actually looking at this part, it looks way different than the stock one. So it's got, what is this? VW AG turkey legs from my boy Demonology. Shout out to my hand. I got a little ash on my hand today, man, so you know, in the spirit of my homeboy. It's got these markings on it, but look on the inside. What are those? If anybody knows, put it in the comments down below. I already know y'all probably gonna roast me anyway for this video. Oh, he doesn't know what he's doing. Oh, he doesn't know what he's doing. That's not the right spark plug. Blah, 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 blah. All right, we are back in business. So I got everything pretty much buttoned down. I'm gonna press those clips in and it should be good to go. But look how much newer these things look under the engine bay, man. Shit. So yeah, man, everything online said that you got to make sure these are pressed in tight, which is kind of a no-brainer. Make sure that you don't crimp up the grounds or anything, because then the plug won't fire or you'll throw a check engine code. So definitely don't want none of those things. Sorry if it's windy. I keep seeing a little thing spiking up, but all right, y'all, so this is the moment of truth. I'm getting in the car for the first time, man. You know, some YouTubers be big time finagling, man. They don't, you know, this might be their third or fourth take, but I'm gonna give y'all the real, man. Let's see what's going on. Boom, started up, no problem. No check engine lights, no crazy shit happening. All right, so it's idling, man. Let me let the car get up to temperature. I might drive it around a little bit just to make sure, you know. When you tune your car and you go up and boost pressure and you start running the car harder and harder, man, you gotta remember, damn, easy little Nas, damn, son. All right, shit, damn. But anyway, man, like I was saying before I was rudely interrupted, this is a big maintenance deal, man. So when you start throwing parts on your car and start adding power and all this stuff, man, you got to know that you have to take care of your car even more, man. You got to be extra careful, man, because, you know, the parts and stuff are going to wear out faster, man. You're going to have to change your oil before the due date. You know, I know that's crazy, right? You know, I know a lot of y'all be like, shit, you know, the oil still look like oil. Why am I going to change it? Like, easy. But I'm gonna button everything up, man. I still got the engine cover sitting over here, so I'm gonna put that back on. Got all the stuff sitting under the hood, man. So when you do stuff like this, make sure you grab all your tools. Make sure you grab all the miscellaneous. Like if you got, first and foremost, you don't want to have any leftover parts. But if you got stuff like I do, I got the old Coilpacks laying somewhere around there, and the old spark plugs. Make sure you grab all this stuff before you try to drive anywhere, man. Next thing you know, you're gonna be driving, you hear a little tink, 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 and it's just gone. It's gonna fall all the way through, and it's gonna be gone. Or worse, it'll fall somewhere into that black hole where socks and all this other shit disappears to, and you'll never get it again. I like to keep all my stuff that way, you know, in the future. Say for instance, like when I did that headlight install, I kept the old bulbs because you just never know, man. I didn't have to go back to the store and buy new bulbs, all that shit. I just pulled them suckers out the package. Yes, I put it back in the package and popped them right back in like it was nothing. So just in case, man, just in case. Hey, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, man. I've been driving around for just a little bit, man, but I can't lie, man, it sounds different. Like, it sounds like the exhaust sounds different. It's weird. It sounds deeper. Like, it's kind of a trip, man, because I didn't expect that to be a change. But everything is fine. It's totally fine, riding fine, no weird idle. I let it sit. I've been driving, no issues, man. So I do feel like the throttle response is like just a tiny bit better. I haven't put it in sport mode or anything like that. I'm just driving. And that's the first thing I noticed. I was like, why does the exhaust sound deeper? So I don't know, maybe those plugs were really, you know, on their last legs, you know. It accelerates just fine. Yeah, the exhaust sounds a little bit different. I don't know why though. I don't know why it sounds a little bit different. I don't know if it's just in my head. Unfortunately, y'all are not in the car with me, so the audio over YouTube is not gonna do it justice, you know. Still goes though, damn. Woo! All right, man. You know, that'll wake you up. But hey, man, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. Do what you can. Work on your car when you can. You'll enjoy your car a whole lot better, man, if you put your own personal touch on it, man. You know, stuff like this you can do. I did this in really 45 minutes. You can probably do it in about 30 minutes without having to walk around and press record and do all that extra stuff. So it doesn't take long to change the spark plugs. It's not going to be like a night and day difference. Spark plugs really don't do too much for your car, but it keeps it running the way it's supposed to, man. Like day one, fresh off the factory, man. That's what this feels like right now to me, man. Feels like 2 years ago when I first drove this car, you know. So hey, man, it's your boy 728. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.